Hello everyone! Video we continue our Oshkosh TV show, YouTube show, and next part will be about how to live in Oshkosh. When I was getting ready for our trip to Oshkosh, I had a million questions. What we will eat, where we will stay, how to take a shower, do we can charge our phones and tablets and everything? Questions. I think you have same. The Airshow occupies a huge area and you will have almost no opportunity to go anywhere if you plan to be there all day and have time to see the expo centers and daytime show and nighttime show. This is a lot. My husband then told me that we will be living in a tent and we had no other options. Of course they do, and the essence of the park is for RV. There are hotels nearby, but RV is not relevant for us. We travel on the airplane and the hotels were booked months before the show because we don't have other options. That's true. When we arrived in the evening after a hot day, go in airplane, out, in, out, landed, take off. The only thing we wanted was wash ourselves and sleep. Look at these vents. One side there are sinks and mirrors, on the other showers. Not bad. If you wash quickly, the water is almost slightly warm, but Miles did not appreciate it. He cried in the shower so loudly that you could hear it for a mile around. And the charging stations everywhere made us happy. We left batteries for the GoPro cameras and power banks there for the whole night. No one took them. Here is have charger station. Not so much.
Miles, you go pee pee?
Okay, go first. Так, this is shower. Come on, go. Everybody waiting. Well, not terrible. Yeah, and some little boys can still use a natural toilet.
What you doing, Miles? Watering the grass? Great, good job. Can't see much here now, but there are about 12,000 airplanes here at this airport. They said there will be about 600,000 people.
And look, there is our airplane and tent.
Planes have been taking off for a half hour now. Wakey at Oshkosh. Plane next to us is leaving. Miles still sleeping. Yeah, I wish it was effective. 7 a.m. wake-up call in EAA, AirVenture. We've been seeing planes take off for the last hour. If that didn't wake you up, this next thing is going to. Support tri-base. Tri-motor there. Oh, there's a 5K that I'm supposed to be in.
I don't know how people sleep there for the 9 or 10, because in 7 a.m. they turn on the radio with very loud songs. And earlier than 7 a.m. airplanes started take off, leaving, coming. Little advice: lie, sleep early, because you will wake up early. Our neighbors recommended this cafe not far from us. And believe me, it was the best breakfast you could find in the area. No salads or super healthy food, just something edible. Believe me, we checked the neighboring cafes the following days and were convinced of this. Of course, after breakfast you will wanna go and check everything around, and this is huge area and very hot in a day. According to the theory, the airports are driven by tractors. There are special stops for them. Each has its own road, and you might have to change 2-3 tractors to get where you want to go. At first time we thought that we would only move on foot. We did not take a stroller for a child. After an hour of such a walks, in the super heat with no shade, with the giant spaces, the child, the Miles, began to cry and move onto my husband's shoulders. Hour later, my husband began to get sad, and my backpack with everything necessary for half day for the child began to pull me to the ground. So we quickly realized that we will use their tractors. Advice: take a stroller with you. You will not regret it. All the people here are friendly and cheerful. This guy stopped right in the front of my camera to use me.
You're fine.
If you want to sell or buy an airplane or any airplane accessories, then you need to find in Oshkosh this message board. Here have any type of airplanes, any other things for any prices. I am sure everybody can find something. When the show starts, of course, you wanna be outside and watch it. But it is so hot outside, it's just a field and not a single tree. There are only shade you can find in special tents, but you cannot see there the sky. There is also shade under the wings of the airplanes. Or like us, you can take a sun tent with you. Look at that line. It was drawn specifically for to prevent people from crossing it during the air show, and the staff strictly monitors it. We were lucky. The line was drawn right next our tent, so sometimes we jumped in the tent for something we want to take. Other people whose planes and tents were left behind the line can get there from 2 to 6 p.m. Can you imagine?
Any idea how often fast people are taking off here? This guy's taking off. Here, one's landing. I mean, it is just amazing.
tried to show you as much as possible how you can live on Oshkosh and enjoy the show. If you still have questions, write them in the comments. I will be happy to answer you. Whether you like to live in a tent or not, Oshkosh is worth visiting this place one day. In the following video, I will show you to the Airshow and the Expo Center and what children can do there. Because stay with us. I hope you enjoyed this video, and make a comment if you have any questions, and thumbs up, subscribe. Thank you guys, and see you later.